a video demonstration on the 450PB8. Here you have an EMO, the power on, temperature controller. This is the HMI interface. There is a PLC inside that controls the process. O2 monitor and alarm, vacuum line temperature, and the vacuum pressure gauge. On the HMI, this is your standard operating screen where you start and stop your processes, batch numbers, the O2 monitor, alarm silence, and what process you're running. To switch the process, you have to go into the alarm panel. The access code is 1984. You can go to recipes. You have 8 to choose from. The standard recipe in the manual is programmed into 1. Also, you can go into engineering maintenance screen, which is the code is 1966. You can go into the output panels, control different outputs to test to see if they're working or not. You have to go to output panel continue. Get out. You can turn on your temperature controller from here. So you have an alarm light tower, and then on the back of the machine you have the main power disconnect breaker. You have indications here for if your heater's fuse blows. You have chamber rear temp monitor, front monitor, and then the over temp monitor. You have the fuses for the system, a sonar alert, and then the cabling to connect the controller to the main system. Here you have the MFCs for gas 1 and 2, your throttle control valve for the pressure control of the system, and another EMO here. This box over here has the vacuum filters on the bottom and the heater for your vacuum line. Okay, so we'll run process 1. The idle temp is at 150. And from here it will ramp up and run through the standard process, which is about 6 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, so the controller, or the temperature of the unit, is at its max set point of 450. It's in its well state. After the dwell state, it's going to do a cool down back to the idle state of 150C. As you can see here, the oxygen is 6.7 ppm, and it's controlling the vacuum at 150 torr, 156 torr.